Hello everyone and welcome to Port Orleans French Quarter. So we've got quite a nice little view, it's a little gardeny kind of view, very sweet. And we are in room 4224. I think Alice is inside, hopefully he's gonna let us in and we can show you around our new pad. Oh, as if by magic, isn't he a darling? So look at this. It's a beautiful Mickey made of Mardi Gras beads. And then these are our new magic bands and new resort mugs. I should have positioned them, but these ones are slightly different. So there was two options for resort mugs this year. These are the second ones. Buzz Lightyear on one side, the Epcot ball randomly with Nemo and Dory, and then a random giraffe and dinosaur and Lightning McQueen. They match our magic bands. How special is that? So one mirror, hello, hi. Table and chair, thank goodness, we were desperate for a table and chair. Then two beautifully big beds and Mickey towel. And then we've got a different one this time. So we had Mickey in our last room, this time we have Minnie with ideas come from curiosity. And we didn't have this at Coronado, but we have a nice little letter welcoming us and saying if something isn't quite right to drop a message, which is really nice. So on the counter here, got all the information. We were given actually some quite handy information if you've never stayed on Disney before about the Disney dining plan and who's participating in 2020. This side is the table service, which doesn't apply to us, but this side is the quick service. We were not given that at Coronado Springs, so that was handy to be given that. We also got a little leaflet on it as well. So like I say, really handy, particularly if you've not stayed here before, that you don't need to know about. We got given a times guide and then we got given this. So, oh, let it focus. There we go. Just quickly do that. So you can have a bit of a read if you're interested. So just to talk about that little leaflet that I've just filmed there. So for this day, we have decided to opt out of room service and we are getting $60 credited to our account to spend at Walt Disney World. Yay, more Disney money, whoop whoop. We've not done this before. On our 14 days that we spent at Coronado Springs, we didn't opt out, but we have here. So we will let you know what we think on that. But that was our little leaflet that we were handed to explain that to us. What else did we get given? We got given a map of the resort. So Port Orleans consists of French Quarters and Riverside. We are staying at French Quarter. French Quarter is the tiny section of Port Orleans and then Riverside is this big one, so a similar size to Coronado. We've got some information on the recreation calendar, so that's where they're doing movies under the stars and things like that. And then the same as what we had at Coronado Springs, information on room service and just general information on the Walt Disney World Resort, so it's all there. Slightly different setup for tea and coffee making. I am devastated. So it's an older style of coffee maker. They do have tea, but I'm not entirely sure how you would get that out of there. I'll maybe read the instructions and let you know. However, we are ideally located and right next to the food court, so we can always just run and grab tea. Underneath here, we have a fridge. It's a fair size, to be perfectly honest. Look at that. Lots of room in there. And then there are 3 drawers. So again, quite a bit of storage space for us. My complaint at Coronado Springs was we had no hooks. Here we have 4 and a little shelf as well. And there's kind of, if I come back, like a little footstooly kind of bench too. We have a piece of artwork on the wall, which is like Mardi Gras-y kind of themed, I guess. The beds are, they just look really sophisticated, very nice. It's very clean, isn't it? What's your opinion? You loving it so far?
Much better.
Yes, I think we are definitely, oh, big TV, huge TV. Then we no longer have the sliding doors. Hi, again, this time we have a curtain. So you can just get rid of Alistair that way. Or you can annoy him by opening it that way. Still got a safe, so same as before. Extra pillows and blankets. And then again, I mentioned in the Coronado's room tour that we did not have a lot of hanging space. This is the same as what we had at Caribbean Beach, so a good size of hanging. And then on the wall you have an ironing board. We have juice. I'm just gonna spin. I'll let you explain, Alistair.
Alright, so Coronado Springs has some new TV system that has your name and stuff, so you don't get Disney World Today, you just get a random photo of Coronado Springs and it plays music when it turns on. I missed this.
So Alistair was devastated by the fact that there was not Disney World Today when we were at Coronado Springs, but it's back! We no longer have our names, which I was really impressed with at Coronado Springs. And the thing was cool, it had the little ducks that were swimming all the time. But yeah, we have missed Disney World Today more than anything because of the playlist that it plays in the background. So hopefully that's still going. It's on mute at the minute because we've just turned that on. So back to the room. Oh, over by the work of art as well, you've got the thermostat letting you know. Change that, put the fan on, make it warmer. So back to here. Hello again. So 2 sinks, again, plenty of room for us both to be getting ready at the same side. More storage space underneath the sinks and a hairdryer too. We have not got the same option for toiletries. That comes slightly under the whole not having room service, but the fact that we opted out. However, there is only, oh, I'm gonna move it here, that's a bit better, the body lotion and the facial soap here, whereas we got mouthwash and other bits and pieces at Coronado Springs. Sorry if the fan is really loud. This is the bathroom. It is a lot smaller than Coronado Springs, but I mean, you don't need a massive amount of space in the bathroom, do you? So we have the normal toilet, and then we have just the one shower head here, but it looks quite big. That's quite nice. Toiletries are still the same, so we get the shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. And the shower curtain, how cute is this for detail? It's got a little froggy like Princess and the Frog. Towels, hook on the wall. So again, as you can obviously see, we've got a big mirror here. You also have one full-length mirror on the door of the bathroom. And I think that is our new home away from home. I love it. We love it. So yeah, welcome to Port Orleans French Quarter. We hope you enjoy our little room tour here. We will be doing more of a resort tour so you can see what the resort as a whole has to offer. So keep watching for more information on that.